Please welcome our Master of Ceremonies, Calico's favorite son, Deputy Mayor Milton C. Howell.
Howdy, buddy! Oh, boy, look at all them faces out there. Oh, I thought you was gonna be here today. Hello there. Oh, my word. Oh, thank you so much. As the Deputy Mayor of Calico, it is indeed my honor to welcome each and every one of you here today to a very special moment. But before I do, please give a warm welcome to the Queen of Calico, Miss Cameo Kate.
Howdy, everyone! Oh my goodness, y'all look so fantastic. Hello, howdy, how you doing over here? Yay! Thank you so much, and thank you, Sheriff Wheeler.
Oh, Miss Kate, you look amazing.
Oh, well, thank you, Milton. Oh my goodness, and speaking of amazing, look at this amazing crowd. Howdy, y'all! Oh my goodness, you are fantastic. Well, my goodness, what is all of this hullabaloo about, Milton?
Well, let me spill it out here for you, Miss Kate.
Well, testify, Milton.
Oh my word, hear ye, hear ye. It is indeed an honor to be amongst family and friends here in Calico.
Oh, it's the girls. Hi, Trixie. Hi, Dixie. Oh, yes, that's this, yes. Oh, that's horrible. All right, thank you, ladies. Okay.
This is a collection barrel for items that are to be placed into a time capsule.
A what?
A time capsule, Kate. It is the way for the people of Calico to preserve both their history and heritage for our future descendants to discover. On this day, I, Milton C. Howell, Deputy Mayor of Calico,
Oh, and I, Cameo Kate, resident songbird,
do hereby decree that this here time capsule shall be filled with the fond memories of everyone at Knott's Berry Farm. Why in an older time capsule, Miss Kate? You see, like a rare gem, he has been unearthed once again to find gold right here in Calico. Thank you, Deputy Schuyler.
esteemed guests.
Oh, word, here comes the parade, people.
That's right. Oh, look at this.
Word, look at them all. All dressed up, handsome and snappy and ready for work. Friendly as always. Hello. Oh, it's so good to see y'all came. Y'all came. All right, come on. Got you ready with old Glory over there? Our associates also bring with them a banner. Yes, indeed. And we'll place this banner into the time capsule so that the associates, a half a century from now, who will have the honor of upholding the traditions and values we instill today, will know the names of the associates who came before them. Hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip!
Hooray! Please welcome our friend from Soak City Water Park, lifeguard Jeremiah Pettis. Jeremiah, oh, and look, he's so tall.
My word, Miss Kate.
Oh my, and look, you have some sort of tube apparatus thingy. Why don't we go ahead and drop it in? Good job. oh, my, thank you, Jeremiah.
Drum roll, please. A chicken dinner restaurant menu. And a pie tin. Ha, well done, son.
Oh, now representing our fabulous landscaping department, Sheriff Wheeler has some seeds and a jar of dirt from our very own berry vines. Look at that. Well, thank you, Sheriff Wheeler. And from entertainment, Trixie and Dixie. Oh, ladies, have you brought something with you today? You did bring something, right? Oh, of course.
Oh.
Good job, ladies. Oh, very nice. Thank you, ladies. That's enough.
I was enjoying that. Okay. And now, representing our rides department, please welcome Tori Layman. She drives the stagecoach. She will now place some sort of a horsey thingy apparatus into the time collection barrel. And also from rides, please welcome our very own Molly Pineda, who will contribute an actual berry blaster from our newest attraction, Berry Tales, Return to the Fair!
My goodness. Now from our fabulous merchandise department is Elise Epling with something very, very special. And Snoopy, we're going to need you to help.
My word. And now, from our very own maintenance department, a genuine piece of wood from an award-winning roller coaster, our very own Ghost Rider roller coaster. Oh my words. Ladies, would you please do the honors? And as an added bonus, they also gave us a box of screws.
Oh my. Thank you, ladies. That's it. Thank you. Now from Park Services, we have Monique Alderman. Yes. And look, she has some sort of gloves and a bottle of disinfectant. And, drum roll please, a roll of toilet paper.
I declare we could use some of that out in the old Wild West. Now, please welcome from our games department, our very own Melissa Valverde. Oh my word, come on girl, you ain't getting by old Uncle Milton. No, you are not. I can go in the kitchen, I can go in the basement. All right, we need 5 seconds on the clock. Calico, help us out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my word, and now welcome the gold miners of the future. Oh my word, here they come, ladies and gentlemen. Now, these are our younger family members of our associates, and over here are our very special guests from the Boys and Girls Club of Buena Park. Give them a round of applause and thank them for being here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now, the Boys and Girls Club will put something into our barrel here. You ready? All right, place it in there. Oh, thank you so very much. Speech. On this day, June the 30th, 2021, here at Knott's Berry Farm, the birthplace of the boysenberry, we do dedicate this here time capsule to be opened 50 years from now on the day June 30th, 2071. Oh my word, it shall be placed over yonder, right next to our newest attraction, Berry Tales, Return to the Fair. Wait. Oh, wait. I forgot. There's one last thing I really want to save for all time. All of you.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with your kind permission, we would now like to take a panoramic photo of everyone here so that 50 years into the future, when this is opened and the people gather around to see it unsealed, they will see who was here with us today. Now, to best do this, I'd like all y'all to stand up that wants to be in this here picture and come as forward as you can to this here rope. We got a rope right along here at the edge of our stage. Come right on up. And right up there. See where it says say cheese? Oh, look at, oh, I wish I had some cheese. Why did I say that? Okay, we're going to count down from 3 to 1. And when I hit 1, I want everyone to yell, berry pie. Y'all ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Berry pie!
It's time to put the lid on this barrel so that these items can get back to the time capsule.
I declare, let's put a lid on this here ceremony, Miss Kate. On behalf of all of the associates here at Knott's Berry Farm, from the bottom of our heart, we would like to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this very special day. Ladies and gentlemen, we really did make history. Give yourselves a round of applause. And as we say here, we'll see you around the farm.
Well, folks, you just witnessed one of the finest events here ever. We set ourselves a big old time capsule, right? It's going to go 50 years, which, how long?
I can't count that.
I think it'll be like 1879 when it's open.
Sounds
or
right.
something. I don't know. But anyway, we put some really nice artifacts in it. I told them they should have put me in there. That way I could have been there when they opened it.
For sure.
But it was quite an event. And we put all kinds of stuff like some Snoopy dolls and parts of the rides and all kinds of things in there. And a banner that was signed by every associated here. So it's going to be quite an event when they open
really
it up.
Cool.
So if you can do me a favor, you can be there when they open that up and come let me know how it was. I sure appreciate it.
I'll sure try.
All right. Well, thanks for being here today.
Thank you. Thank you
Have
so
a great
much.
day.
You're wonderful. Thank you.